Honestly, I've been losing sleep over this car. I'm not even gonna lie to you. What's gonna stand out the most here? The work is gonna speak for itself, how clean our work is. I wanna execute this car right, and that's what's gonna stand out between our cars and other people's cars.
Man, what a 360 transformation. Good morning, guys. We are back with another S2000 video. Recently, I just picked up this 2004 Honda S2000. Car just got here from Colorado. This thing is in great condition. Car's bone stock, doesn't need anything at all. In this video, I'm gonna explain how much I bought the car for, how much I paid for all the modifications, basically the total of everything after it's modded, no labor included. So I want you guys to, at the end of the video, let me know if this was a good deal or not. So we're gonna do wheels, tires, suspension. I got a hard top, skirts, rear spoiler. But I'm just gonna go over everything as the process goes on. I'll get you a montage. I'm gonna be in and out of the shop today. The guys are gonna be working on the car, but I'll give you guys a quick walk around of this S2000. This car has 132,000 miles. Super clean car. Has a front end PPF, which I'm gonna take off. Looks like it's been on there since brand new. J-Rack is off this week, so we are not working on the yellow hatch. So we're gonna work on this week. Front end PPF, you guys can see the line. We're gonna remove it. I'm gonna show you guys the full transformation of this car. I'm gonna drop a montage real quick, and then we're gonna get started on this build. Before I start this montage, I thought this was pretty dope. The owner gave me this with the car. It's like a, I want to say, not a bigger Hot Wheels, a small miniature S2000. He also gave me a little Hot Wheels with the car. Pretty awesome. And it's great. This top's in great condition, but unfortunately, we bought a hard top. So this car is a matching VIN number car, clean Carfax history, clean title. It's what I like to start with from scratch because it's a blank canvas. You know, there's no stories behind it. For those of you guys that are gonna ask, I found this car on Facebook Marketplace. I'm like up all night looking for cars and stuff. Found it in Colorado. Kid was super cool, but super clean car, blank canvas to start with. You guys are gonna get started working on the car today, and this thing should transform pretty quick. All right, I am gonna kind of go over the prices with you guys real quick, and these are honest prices. These are exactly what I paid. It's kind of high, I'm not even gonna lie to you. But before, let me know what you guys think. I put this in the community. My brother's OCD had to try on the spoon calipers. Let me know what you think of this setup. The endless are right there, but he wanted to try it on. Do you guys like the spoon better, or do you guys like the endless? I know a lot of you guys say spoon because of spoon build. Anyways, this video is about the S2000. Let's get into it. Let's start off with the car. I got the car. The car was posted on Facebook Marketplace for 20 something thousand, I think 20 grand. So I got the kit down to 19,000. Paid $1,000 of shipping from Colorado. I bought an OEM hardtop for 6 grand. That's how much they're selling for nowadays. And then I got an OEM CR front lip, which was $1,000. Downforce carbon skirts, 1,000. JDP rear diffuser. It's carbon fiber also, paid $1,000. JDP spoiler, I had it already here, it was $325. I had to paint the front lip, roof, and match the rear spoiler. That came out to $1,000. You can't get a CR S2000 front lip in the US that's red. All paint costs $1,000. Ktuned, I bought K1 coils, front camber kit, rear camber kit. That came out to 2 grand. And then Volk CE28s came out to 3,600. I got them in gloss black. Tires 750 on lug nuts. Comes to our total of $36,725 without labor. Would you guys have bought this car already modified, done for 36 grand? Think about it, without the top, probably $30,000. OEM tops are selling for an insane amount of money. I want to do OEM top, didn't want to go with a cheaper option because I love the way they look with OEM tops. Got it paint matched, ready to go. Basically, after this car is all said and done, I'll give you guys a montage. Let me know if $36,000 for $36,000, it's kind of high, I'm not even gonna lie, but the car is done. It'll be turnkey, looks great. $36,000, $37,000. You'll have a fully done up S2000, I guess, with 130,000 miles. Could I have found it cheaper? Yeah, but it's not the same. Everything is gonna be brand new on this build. Like I said, $36,725 is the final total. Let me know what you guys think. Drop in the comments if you think I'm an idiot or do you think this is a good deal. Remember, all the parts are brand new. Let's get into the build. All right, you don't know the total amount of everything. You just know what we bought for the car. I want you to guess how much we spent total on everything. Completely done, like out the door, without no labor. Don't start pulling your phone out.
I need to add it up on my phone.
Intermission, guys. guys. I'm just gonna skip through all this while he calculates, puts his calculator out. Just give me
You
it.
want to calculate paint too?
Yes, everything. Every single bit.
I'll say 15 grand.
15 grand on parts?
Parts, paint, and everything.
And we paid pretty much 20 grand for the car. So 15 grand, what, you're at 35 grand?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Let's walk to this board real quick.
Oh, I forgot the side skirts. That's why. That would have been my $800. I would have been closer.
Now let me ask you a serious question. Would you have paid 36 grand for the car after, if you've seen this car on Facebook Market?
Done? Yes.
Would you have paid for that?
Yes, I would have.
I
paid more for the yellow car stock with nothing.
All right.
I don't want to talk about it.
We want to talk. We want to talk about it. We want to talk about it.
I don't want to talk about it.
Let's talk about it. Why are the spoon brakes on the car?
Two things. I'll say this. I honestly, I've been losing sleep over this car. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I really, because I want to execute this car right. And I've been going back and forth. I thought it's not really been done. And I know the guys they're a little fed up with me. The thing is, I just want to make sure this car's put together the right way. So at the end of the day, right, we're saying it's a spoon EG, and I've been going back and forth with Jordan. There's two things here. One of the things that I really, really wanted to do was to get the car certified by Spoon. So the only way to do that is to completely go the Spoon route. And then another thing that made me put the Spoon stuff on is, if you guys remember this car in the beginning, the 5-lug had extended wheel studs on here before I got them finished. So the hubs are from Carcept, so they take a different stud. Anyways, I took the studs out and I put the short studs in so I can run the Spoon lug nuts, which are closed, and they won't work with extended studs. So I put the short studs in there to do that, so I can be able to go between the open end lug nuts that I have here and the Spoon lug nuts when I switch wheels. With the endless caliper, I have to run a wheel spacer to clear the Mugen wheels only. It clears every other wheel, which is crazy, besides the Mugen wheels. So with the wheel spacer, I can't run any lug nut on here because I already put the short, the regular studs in here. So I have to take the hubs back apart, which is not really like a big deal, but I already put the car together. So it's either I change the studs and put the endless stuff, and also the endless stuff, don't get me wrong, it's a great setup, and it's more like a race style though, and the car is more so a street style car. So I don't think it's gonna fit the theme of the car. So that's where I've been going back.
So are you leaning with Spoon right now, or?
Honestly, yes, I am. Only because
I'm leaning with endless. I just like the way it looks. I like the
endless stuff. It is different. You don't really see it on a lot of.
That's why I wanted to go with
Civics
endless.
or Integras. Every car is, that you see has Spoon. Two things here. Like I'm trying to be different, but at the same time too, I don't have to really. What I came to the conclusion, I don't really have to go that route to be different. What's gonna stand out the most here at the end of the day is our work, how well we execute the build, how clean our work is, and that's what's gonna stand out between this car and, no disrespect to anybody else, like between our cars and other people's cars. So the work is gonna speak for itself. People are still gonna be able to see the quality of work here. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter the price range between Spoon and endless. Everybody knows that, and obviously we can afford it because we have both. Just to stay true to the theme, and the car being a street car, I feel like Spoon is gonna be the best route here.
So you guys, let us know what you guys think. This is a Spoon brake kit. Like I said, we have to run extended studs, which we don't want to. These are just cut for now, just so we can try to fit the wheel to see what we're gonna do. These are the endless. If this was your build, what would you guys do?
The crazy part is because if you guys know anything about endless, the rotor comes like an ashier blue color. I got these powder coated blue with the black on the outside and the black veins, and then I got the rotors cut.
I just know at the end of the day, you're gonna make a good decision. Drop in the comments, what do you guys think? What should we do? I get his opinion, but I also get like what looks better also. If it's a Spoon theme, my opinion, I guess keep it all Spoon. But at the end of the day, it's his car. So like whatever he wants to do.
The biggest thing is here is hopefully to get all my receipts together for everything that I bought new for this car from Spoon. That's how you are able to get the car certified. So I'm gonna try to reach out to them after the car is done. That's like probably my goal with this car, to get the car certified by Spoon.
Let us know what you guys think. Let us know also if you think $36,000 for the S2000 was a little much. So let's get into the build. All right, so we got the rear spoiler, rear diffuser, side skirts, and front lip on. Also OEM hardtop. Now time for wheels, tire, suspension. Don't worry about the car. Looks a little weird right now because the factory wheels are on it. How do you feel about it so far?
A little different than what we usually do. I gotta see it all said and done. I think they're gonna look good.
I don't know how I feel about the spoiler just yet, but I think with the look we're going for, it's gonna look nice. I couldn't find an OEM AP2 front lip, so I got an OEM CR front lip. We got a paint match to the car, but so far looking good. Front lip, carbon skirts, carbon rear diffuser, all this stuff is still available either from Honda, JDP, or Downforce. Don't know about the rear spoiler. My brother got a paint match to the car. The upper part of it is painted, and then the lower section is still exposed carbon fiber to match the rear diffuser. Gonna put the ktuned K1 coils on now with the ktuned camber kits, and then we have the CE28s that are gloss black with new Falcon RT660s. I must say, you killed this NSX.
There's a lot of stuff that we do off camera. We built like almost, no lie, like 4 cars this week. And we did this one.
This car just came in, all I had was suspension, and then we did rear spoiler, carbon diffuser, Regan Masters, Pride skirts, and then did a carbon front lip. But man, this NSX is like, this thing is so good. I love polished Regas. Thing just looks so beautiful. I don't know how many NSX owners are out there, but maybe we should bring more NSX content to the channel.
You believe that's original paint on the car?
Yeah, I do. Super clean.
That's original paint.
I'll drop
I just seen out the rear valence and the side skirts, but other than that, the whole car is original paint.
I'll take the car outside and just do a quick montage for you because this car is so sick. I want to get it on camera. This NSX may be the best NSX that we've ever done here yet. Now time to rip the suspension off the S2000, put the camber kits on, lower the car, and see how it looks like with the CE28s. I'm gonna give you guys a quick teaser of the wheels until tomorrow, but shout out to Kevin. Kevin absolutely killed the suspension all in one day. This car literally did a complete 360 in one day. Shout out to Kevin, look at the wheels. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna set ride height and suspension and do an alignment on the car, and this car should be pretty much good to go. What up guys, final day working on the S2000. The boys are giving the car an alignment right now. I must say, $16,000 in miles, looking really good.
I just want to know, what's my name?
What's your name?
What's my name,
I'll give it to
baby?
you, Fitment Poppy. The car looks amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a montage.
I'm gonna wash the next door first.
Yeah, we're gonna wash the car. But in the community, I am gonna post after Detail Master does his thing on the car. The CE28s on this car just set it off. Actually complements the wing, the diffuser. But quick alignment, ride height is already set. And this thing is pretty much done. Man, what a 360 transformation this car has done. Let me drop a montage for you guys real quick. Man, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. This S2000 came around in pretty much 2 days.
This thing came out really, really good. As you guys seen, this is less than 24 hours here at the shop. We had everything already planned out. We had all the parts here already.
Shout out to Kev, man. Kev, you killed that suspension, baby. I kid you not. Kev had the full suspension done within an hour. Show some love to my boy Kev in the comments.
I told him, I said, yo, if you get this car done by today, you can have tomorrow off. So.
I say less.
Let me know, drop in the comments what you guys think of the full transformation. I'm gonna drop some pictures in the community after Detail Master puts his touch on this car.
Before we end this video, I want you guys to let us know what you guys think about the build. And also, man, I'm really, really curious, where you guys from? Just comment below where you guys are from, what state, what country. Because I read all the comments and it's dope when we go to events and stuff like that and we see you guys there. We've seen some guys from the Philippines, Jamaica, Guam. So just comment below, let us know where you guys are from too. Thanks for watching this video.